to go to bed at like 7. I didn't like last night.
Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to today. Today is Monday, May 17th, 2021, and I am here with pledgers from Miss Posada's 5th grade classroom, and their names are
Vivi, Aiden, Anthony, Valerie, Annalise.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart as we say our pledge to the United States flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, let's go ahead and do our Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
At this time, will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? I thank you so much, friends. You may be seated. I'd like you to go ahead and get into your comfortable position if you can. Put your feet on the ground if they reach. If not, make sure you put your hands on your legs. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And let's go ahead and do our Monday meditation. So you're going to take in a deep breath through your nose like you're smelling your favorite food. Maybe cookies or pizza or some spaghetti. Just take a deep breath in. Hold that for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And release through your mouth like you're blowing bubbles. All right, so let's try that one more time. Let's take in our deep breath. And blow out your bubbles. Very good. I want you to go ahead and think some really positive thoughts. That means I want you to think of all the good things you're going to do today and all the things that you are going to do well, all the things you're going to accomplish. So take in that deep breath one more time. Center your mind. Remember, you are safe, you are happy, and you are well. Take in that, take out, and blow. Good job, Wildcats. We'd like to remind you that every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, you have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home or on the bus or at school that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please find the trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. All right, so we do have a couple of announcements today, and we're going to go through them in just a second. Oh, I'm sorry. We continue to be a No Place for Hate school. Some of my 5th graders are going to go ahead and say the No Place for Hate pledge.
I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone, even if they're not like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. I will help others to feel safe and happy at school. I will be part of making my school no place for hate.
That was a great job. Thank you, 5th graders. Also, with under the leadership of Mrs. Garza, we are a No Place for Hate school, and soon you should receive a huge banner that states that we are a No Place for Hate school. We do not have any birthdays today, the 17th. However, we have 2 celebrity birthdays in the house. It is a party in 1st grade. Happy birthday to Miss Flores and Miss Velasquez, both of our 1st grade teachers. If you see them, please do wish them a happy birthday. We are continuing our end-of-year assessments, such as BAS and RAS, and etc. Our 5th graders are going to go on a visit to Woodland Acres Middle School, so please make sure that you have brought in your permission slips and that you're ready to go. We have our CNA and our CIP planning meeting at 3:30 for those that signed up. And we are still returning books to the library if you have checked them out. Friends, attendance matters, so let's keep coming to school in person every day. I'm going to ask you to continue to practice your safety protocols by wearing a mask and washing your hands frequently and maintaining 6 feet distance from your classmates. By wearing our mask, that means that we cover our nose. If you have an issue with covering your nose with your mask, perhaps you need a new one. Make sure that you go ahead and find one that covers your nose. The Care Education theme for this month is trustworthiness. What does trust look like, or what does it feel like? Trust is letting go of needing to know all the details before you open your heart. If someone trusts you, then they don't have to worry about how you are going to achieve something. They just know that you are going to achieve it. All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. And we hope that today you choose to make it a marvelous Monday. It's a very busy week. And we hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful week.